Good morning everyone. As I discussed in the video, we'll go through the recipes today, which we are going to look penne chicken alfredo and beef stew. Okay. This is our first virtual video. We are trying our level best to make it happen properly. Anyway, we'll go into the ingredients. For the penne chicken alfredo, we need cooked pasta, cooked chicken, grated Parmesan cheese, grated cheddar cheese, and this is the Alfredo sauce which is going to come from CBU. Okay, this is a cooked Alfredo sauce with mushroom inside. As well as chicken will come from SSFI, cooked chicken breast, frozen. Alfredo sauce also frozen. Only thing is penne pasta we need to cook in-house. So we'll see how we are going to mix. All these ingredients have been already measured. Anyway, I'll measure once again. Okay. First we are going to take sauce. Penne, this is Alfredo sauce, 2 kg. So I added 2 kg of sauce in it. Then as per the recipe, we need to add cooked pasta, 1 kg. This is 1 kg cooked penne pasta. Going forward, cooked chicken cubes, which is coming from SFFI, defrosted, 1 kg. I'm adding into the sauce. Then the recipe says 170 gram of grated cheddar cheese, mature cheddar cheese, and 30 gram of grated Parmesan. But out of this 170 gram of cheddar cheese, we are going to add 50 gram of cheddar cheese in the mix. Okay? So I'm just adding it, 50 gram. So I have already added 50 gram. Now I'm going to mix the ingredients together. Make sure you're mixing it gently. Don't be in a hurry, okay? Do it gently. If you mix too fast, there is a chance of chicken cubes or pasta will get break, okay? So be gentle in your mix. Your chicken cube is already seasoned, salt. So no need to add any salt. Your sauce already seasoned, so no need to add any salt. Pasta, of course, you guys are adding salt, water, oil to cook. So that's it. So no need of salt in this. After mixing, make sure you're pressing a bit, because pasta should not be on top of the sauce. It should be merged in the sauce. Then only you will get a nice equal gratinate color on top. So after spreading, just press it nicely. Then of course you need to wipe the sides. I'm sure you guys are doing it, but anyhow, I'm just showing it. If in case you are forgetting to wipe this sides, after cooking your sides will be in dark color, burnt color. So please make sure you're wiping the sides cleanly. Okay. Then now the rest 120 gram of cheddar cheese is going on top. Spread equally, not in one place. Use the exact amount of cheese mentioned in the recipe. Don't do cost control and all. Okay? Because some of the store I'm not seeing much cheese on top. Very dry. So that's why I'm telling this. Then grated Parmesan on top, 30 gram. The reason why we add 50 gram of cheese in the sauce in the beginning, because you will get that cheesy texture in the sauce. Then rest 130 gram we'll put on top like this. So now your penne chicken alfredo is ready for cooking. This has to go in the oven. Those who have rational oven, please follow the mac and cheese setting, and those who have Uno oven, you guys know how to follow the temperature mentioned in the recipe. Temperature mentioned in the recipe is 200 degree for 20 minutes. So yeah, so according to that you guys can start the cooking. Okay, I'll show you after the cooking how it looks. Now